So we got this situation. Let n be a positive integer. Let a equals to this. So this is series question. Okay. If 63a equals 1 minus 1 by 2 power 30, then n is equal to. Okay. So look at this question. Suppose that we have a as this. Summation starts from k equals to 0 to n. Okay. So it is minus 1 power k, then nck, and then bracket starts. Okay. So it is 1 by 2 power k plus 3 by 4 power k plus 7 by 8 power k plus 15 by 16 power k and 31 by 32 power k. So before solving this question, just try to observe, okay, and then you will get the answer, I'm telling you. So look at this. While solving expansion, you know that, like suppose we have to expand this x plus y power n. Okay, so we used to have nc0, x power n, y power 0, nc1, x power n minus 1, y power 1, nc2, x power n minus 2, y power 2 dot dot dot, ncn, x power 0, y power n. Correct or wrong? Now look at your nck. So k starts from 0 to n, means you will have nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3, nc4 dot 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 ncn. Correct now? So we have all the binomial coefficients. Now look at this. You know that you will be multiplying this ugly thing first with this part, next with this part, then with this part, then with this part, and then with this part. So look at this person. This person is having power as k, and every element is having power as k. So don't you think if power is same, base will be multiplied? Okay. So can I write this question as a equals summation k starts from 0 to n, the thing will become nck minus 1 by 2 power k plus nck minus 3 by 4 power k plus nck minus 7 by 8 power k dot 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 nck minus 31 by 32 power k. Okay. So look at this. You know that you will have all the binomial coefficients. Correct? Means you will have nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3, and for that corresponding you have all the powers of minus 1 by 2 as well. Now try to recall your expansion. In that there exist 3% binomial coefficient x and y. So you have binomial coefficient and you have this person. Now try to recall who is this person, whether this person is x or this person is y. So observe the power and the lower subscript of c. Don't you think the next person is going to become y? Correct or wrong? So who is your first person, that is x? Okay. So can I say that x is no one but it is 1? Correct. So in place, can I write this question as x plus minus 1 by 2 power n? Just tell me. and next term will be what? 1 plus minus 3 by 4 है ना, पावर n प्लस 1 plus minus 7 by 8 power n dot dot dot, and then we have 1 plus minus 31 by 32 power n. This is correct or wrong? Correct. So this must be the expansion of that part. So look at your first entity, 1 minus 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power n. Then next term, it is 1 minus 3 by 4, so it is 1 by 4. So can I say that 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 power n as 1 by 2 power 2n? Correct. Now 1 minus 7 by 8, so it is 1 by 8. So can I say that it is 1 by 2 power 3n, then 1 by 2 power 4n, and this is 32, so 2 power it is 6 na. So 2 power 6 is 64 है ना, so it is 2 power 5. So can I go with 1 by 2 power 5n? Okay, now look at this. Don't you think it is GP? Correct. GP of how many terms? 5 terms. Correct. So just write down the sum of n terms. So it is a r power n. So who is r? R is 1 by 2 power n power 5, because 5 terms are there. Next term divided by previous term, so it is this thing, minus 1 by 1 r minus 1. सही है? Till this part you guys are comfortable? Now look at this. So we got this as the answer, but according to them the answer is 1 by, look at this, this is the answer, 1 by 63. So answer according to them is 1 by 63, and then we have 1 minus 1 by 2 power 30 है ना. This is the answer. Now look at this. So it is 1 minus something, means it is 2 power something minus 1. So can I take minus common, so that we will have 1 by 2 power n, and then 1 minus 1 by 2 power 5n upon 1 minus 1 by 2n. Okay, now let's simplify this thing. Can I write this thing as 1 by 2 power n? Just simplify. It's a simple simplification. 1 minus 1 by 2 power 5n upon 2 power n minus 1, and then divided by 2 power n. Correct or wrong? I have taken LCM from the denominator. So this thing gone. Correct. So can I write this thing as 1 by 2 power n minus 1 into 1 minus 1 by 2 power 5n. So according to us answer is this, but according to them answer is this, 1 by 63 into 1 minus 1 by 2 power 30. Okay, now look at this. So we can write this thing because this is a odd number, and here also we have odd number. So we can compare 2 power n minus 1 as 63. So 2 power n minus 1 equals to 63. So 2 power n will become 64, and 2 power 64 is nothing but 2 power 6. Okay, so n we got as 6. Okay, also if you wish to compare these two things, again you will have 6 only. Okay, so the value for n under this case is 6. I hope the idea is clear. Okay.